I'm on a mental case.
My nigga.
Mentally.
Oh, wait.
What is it?
Crayfish. Prawn. Lobster. Very delicious.
Yes.
But what if we are eating cockroach that live in the sea?
I said it's not normal.
I know of one hospital in UAE where all the doctors, all the nurses are always hungry.
Now so what?
Can we call them paramedics?
Are you normal?
Continue. What if a drunk man is told to come to court to bear witness to a crime?
This one is wrong.
Does that make him a high witness?
Jesus!
Or high witness?
Make use of your brain.
High witness. High witness. High witness. And that's how yesterday, my friend Blessing Bleblin, she now came and told me that Timmy, guess what? That my boyfriend, that one that always beats me, that she heard that is getting married to her best friend Vero. And I said, Veronica.
Oh my God.
I was not like, well, at least somebody's son will stop beating you. She was not like, no. She cannot leave her own somebody's son. No. She must go and scatter the place. She now said that she needs advice, so that I should tell her how can she penetrate there. That she wants to go and scatter the place. That but she doesn't know how to enter. She wants to pass by security.
Okay.
And I said that that maybe she should use dark glasses. And maybe she should also use face mask. And maybe she should also dress like a guy just to pass through security.
What are you trying to say?
When she now left, I was not thinking about it. Wait up. With this dangerous thing that Blessing wants to do, is that not also...
Run. Hey y'all, come look at this.
Blessing in disguise.
I got you over there,
Blessing in disguise.
Can you fuck off?
I'm supposed to be out, please.
Alright.